Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to trim clips in Edits. All right. Well, first up, go ahead and open up the Edits app. Now, if you have a draft, go ahead and open it up. Now, if you don't have a draft, just go ahead and create a new project by just tapping the plus sign right here at the bottom right. Now, for example, I wanted to edit maybe this video right here. My chickens. All right. Just going to tap on the check mark. Now, once it loads, here we have the preview. All right. Now, if you want to trim it, you have two options. First up, let's say, for example, that you wanted to start the video from here in this section. So what we're going to do is just tap on the clip itself. All right, make sure that it is highlighted. When it's highlighted yellow, this means that you have selected this particular clip. Or if the audio right here at the top is selected, it will be highlighted as a yellow as well. Okay, now first up, we have this split option. All right, just tap on it and it will be cut. Now, if you want to delete this section, go ahead and tap on it and hit on delete. All right, as you can see here, the video now starts from this section. All right. Now, another option is by tapping on the video itself. Use this function. All right, just tap and hold right here at the trimming tool. All right, tap and hold. Now go ahead to cut it wherever you want or trim it wherever you want, like so. Okay, let's say, for example, I wanted to cut in this particular section. I'm going to split it and then I'm going to add in a new video, for example, from my gallery right here, or even a photo. Okay, say, for example, this photo right here. I'm just going to tap on the check mark. Okay, once it loads, I can tap and hold, then move it at the center like that. That's pretty long. I'm just going to cut it like that. Tap on this section, hit on delete. I'm going to go ahead and hit on play. Okay, that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.